Welcome back. This channel is for those seeking flexible work from home opportunities. The idea of working from home sounds amazing, especially if you're a stay-at-home mom, a student, or just someone who enjoys a bit of introvert time. But you may want some help getting started. Finding the right job as a beginner is not always easy. In today's video, we'll chat about some ways for you to make money online without needing any qualifications or experience. So let's dive right in. Start working as a virtual assistant. Lots of companies and business owners are looking for virtual assistants to help out with office tasks. It's a great job for beginners because there are plenty of opportunities, and you can make a good amount of money, up to $25 or more per hour. You don't need a ton of experience to start as a virtual assistant. Basic skills like being organized, typing, and good communication are enough. Plus, even entry-level jobs can pay well, especially if you're handling more challenging tasks. The best part is you can work from home and choose your own schedule, making it a cool career option. Which skills do you need for a virtual assistant job? Every virtual assistant position stands out because of the wide range of administrative tasks it might involve. The specific tasks a virtual assistant handles depend on the client's needs and the skills possessed by the assistant. Key skills for a virtual assistant role include managing calendars and travel arrangements, typing and word processing, proofreading, transcription, social media management, graphic design, digital marketing, data entry, research, project management, customer support services, accounting, and bookkeeping. Which companies are looking for virtual assistants? Facebook. Facebook can be a valuable platform for discovering virtual assistant opportunities if you navigate it effectively. Many online business owners actively participate in Facebook groups, providing you with the chance to connect with potential clients. Utilizing either your personal profile or creating a dedicated business account and page, you can promote your virtual assistant services. It's crucial to contribute value within these groups, showcasing the services you offer and explaining how you can assist others. LinkedIn. LinkedIn serves as a professional networking platform, akin to Facebook for professionals, providing an excellent space to showcase skills and services. Users create profiles similar to resumes, enabling them to explore and apply for virtual assistant job opportunities. Joining groups related to remote jobs or reaching out directly to companies seeking remote workers is encouraged. When considering virtual assistant positions, it's essential to carefully read job descriptions to ensure alignment with beginner qualifications. Exploring company pages can also help gauge if it's a suitable workplace. Building a network of professionals on LinkedIn can be leveraged by posting in one's status about offering virtual assistant services, potentially connecting with individuals in need of assistance. 24/7 Virtual Assistant. The company 24/7 Virtual Assistant offers compensation ranging from $10 to $12 per hour, employing virtual assistants to provide administrative support to clients in areas such as phone calls, calendar management, and transcription. This option is particularly suitable for individuals with graphic design or web development expertise. 24/7 Virtual Assistant facilitates connections with clients seeking a committed assistant for a monthly commitment ranging from 20 to 120 hours. Virtual assistants can opt for part-time hours by working for a single client or choose to engage with multiple clients each week to increase their earnings. Viki Virtual. Viki Virtual, a US-based virtual assistant agency, exclusively recruits individuals residing in the United States to serve as virtual receptionists with a minimum hourly wage of $10. If you possess strong typing and communication skills, this opportunity is well suited for finding a virtual assistant job. Particularly ideal for those who enjoy engaging in phone conversations and have an affable demeanor, Viki Virtual stands out as a top choice among virtual assistant agencies. The company caters to small businesses looking to delegate phone-related tasks and customer service responsibilities to enhance efficiency and time management. Time Etc. Time Etc. is a company based in the US and UK that recruits virtual assistants, offering freelance opportunities and virtual assistant positions for individuals aspiring to establish a lasting career in this field. Starting with a base rate of $13 per hour, there is potential for increased pay based on your tenure with the company. Unlike having to seek out your own clients, Time Etc. facilitates connections with business owners in need of your skills. While a minimum of 5 to 8 years of experience is required, particularly for executive assistant roles, the company also welcomes individuals with specialized expertise such as web development and social media management. Further details about their hiring process can be explored on their website. Useffull provides top-tier virtual assistants to companies based in the US and Canada that require assistance. Virtual assistants at Useffull typically undergo 3 months of paid training, offering an excellent opportunity for gaining valuable experience in this role. If you possess creative problem-solving skills and have around 3 years of experience in virtual assistant services, applying for a career with this company is highly recommended. While specific rates are not disclosed, some online sources suggest a minimum payment of at least $7 per hour. Fiverr. If you're a beginner seeking rapid virtual assistant opportunities, Fiverr presents an excellent choice. Functioning as a freelance marketplace, Fiverr is a straightforward platform for earning money online. Here, you're likely to encounter one-time tasks that allow you to accumulate experience, rather than engaging in ongoing work with the same client. The flexibility on Fiverr enables virtual assistants to work as little or as much as they prefer, free from concerns about contracts or other commitments. While the minimum service charge on Fiverr is $5, the potential to earn more exists, depending on the complexity and duration of the task at hand. Belay is a dedicated platform specifically designed for virtual assistant positions. For beginners entering the virtual assistant realm, it serves as an excellent starting point. Belay assures competitive rates for each virtual assistant job, providing an opportunity to enhance your experience and professional growth while earning a substantial income. The majority of jobs available on Belay typically fall within the range of $18 to $22 per hour, with the potential for even higher earnings for executive assistant roles. Useffull is a platform that provides opportunities for virtual assistants, renowned for its exceptional customer service and the ability to attract qualified candidates. While their virtual assistant roles for beginners necessitate availability during specific working hours, offering less flexibility compared to other companies in this field, the benefit of remote work from home still prevails over commuting to a physical location. The compensation ranges between $3,000 to $3,500 per month, with virtual assistants being paid as independent contractors. Current job openings can be explored on their website. How to get started as a virtual assistant. Getting into virtual assisting without any previous experience is totally doable if you follow a few easy steps. Just by sticking to these steps, you can set yourself up for a successful and well-paying career in the virtual assistant world. Step 1. Create your resume. Before diving into online jobs, make sure you've got a solid resume ready to roll. Your resume isn't just a paper, it's your ticket to applying for virtual assistant gigs faster. Make it stand out by listing all the skills and experiences related to virtual assistants. This way, potential clients can see why you're the top pick. With a killer resume, you'll snag more virtual assistant jobs, and you won't have to stress about crafting one every time a cool opportunity pops up. You might also consider creating a portfolio website about your services. Set up a website on SiteGround or Namecheap for less than $3 per month. Step 2. Enhance your skill set. To become a skilled virtual assistant fast, start with online courses and certifications that focus on organization, communication, time management, and software use. Check out platforms like LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, or Skillshare for courses tailored to virtual assistants. Get involved in online communities and forums to stay updated on industry trends and connect with experienced virtual assistants. Applying what you learn through freelancing or volunteering will speed up your learning and make you a more effective virtual assistant. Step 3. Optimize your social media presence. Virtual assistant companies also appreciate seeing a professional presence on your social media. Use platforms like LinkedIn and others to connect with potential clients and employers seeking virtual assistants to enhance their businesses. Consider not only personal profiles but also maintain professional accounts or a personal website to showcase your services. Encourage clients to rate and recommend you for future opportunities. Stand out by adding a professional photo and attention-grabbing elements, like an interesting bio or infographic, highlighting your virtual assistant skills. Seek permission to showcase your work, creating a digital portfolio for potential clients interested in your expertise. Step 4. Get jobs and get paid. Now that you have your resume, some experience, and professional social media profiles, it's time to start getting virtual assistant jobs and earning money. Check out freelance job sites or virtual assistant agencies, and apply for jobs that match your skills. Don't be afraid to apply even if you have less experience than they ask for. Make sure the wage is fair for the work. Once you land a job, provide your virtual assistant services and get paid. Jump in quickly to build your online reputation, and always do your best. Happy clients are likely to hire you again or recommend you to others. Step 5. Ask for testimonials and references once you finish a virtual assistant job. It's crucial to ask your client for testimonials and references. This helps enhance your reputation by showcasing reviews for potential clients to read. Your social media presence, especially on platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn, can play a role in this. Positive reviews there can boost your chances of getting more clients. Don't forget to display these testimonials on your various virtual assistant profiles and keep track of them for future use. By offering top-notch virtual assistant services, clients will likely give you positive reviews, making your profile stand out. And that's it for today. Don't forget to check out the description box with all information you need for this job opportunity. I've also posted a link to my website with more remote job opportunities for you to take a look at. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.